Dude, okay. I was at this place. This one guy had like 38 kills with the RPG.
With an RPG?
Yes, like just on this level.
Oh my god.
It was insane.
Oh my god.
OMG. Might be epic.
Just because it's dark color.
Make a movie.
A movie?
Yes.
An improvised movie?
Yes.
Okay.
It's like there's a part in my mouth and
Go.
Let's make it not improvised. Maybe.
No, that's
no. Let's like make something up.
we should have
Not as we go. Before we go.
Like right before we go, like we say this, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we're making.
Sir, give me your refrigerator right now.
Oh gosh, just let me cook this.
No. Put that down. Okay. Turn this off. Give me that refrigerator. Open it up. Let me see what's inside. Open it up.
I'm sorry.
No. No. What? You don't have anything in here.
Ice cream.
There is ice cream. That's so good.
Oh wait, I got a food you might like.
Okay, let me see.
Not back here. Oh, here it is. You better put your gun down.
Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! No!
I wish I my refrigerator in the cold air.
You stay there.
Okay.
Stay on the ground.
Stay the refrigerator.
We're gonna need a truck.
There's Nathan back there.
Cause I need that refrigerator.
No, there's Jacob Sadler.
Just use this. Just use this to pick it up. Just leave.
Here. Keep your gun. You're gonna need that for something.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Freeze!
A touchdown!
Stop!
AK-47!
Stay there.
Stop it. Stop. You're just a cameraman.
Sorry.
You can only have like one secondary weapon and one pistol.
Oh no!
Yeah, if you want to try, I can just look at it.
Uh-oh. My gun broke.
You're dead.
Alright, I'm calling the cops.
Okay.
Calling the cops.
Okay, good. I actually am the cops.
Okay.
All of them. Hey, Nate Dog.
Yeah, it's recording.
How's it going? Killing zombies.
God, you're a crappy cameraman.
That's fun.
It's a movie.
I like killing zombies.
You're fired.
Oh, sorry. No, I'm stopped. Okay, do you want me to start?
Yeah. I'm gonna call the cops. I'm gonna call the cops.
Yeah, be careful of the big ones. Shoot that one that's on the right there.
Hello, cops? Yeah. Yeah. Cops.
Dun, dun, dun.
No. Yeah, there's a guy who's in my house.
And sometimes there's like weird bomb things you can pick up and they all mind more than that. Yeah, be careful ones that
What?
shoot the
That refrigerator.
Your father's
Now.
gold. Never be found.
The golden.
Alright, now you stay there. Alright, boy? Yeah, I'm still here. Yeah, go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Baker Street. What? Spider. What? Spider?
Don't hang that phone up now.
It was just the neighbor's dog. Yeah.
Yeah. Jacob was like cracking
I'm out of here. Did you guys see that guy? Did you see him?
Salt. Potheads.
Smoking some doobies with my brothers. Hi, Sadler.
Oh, bad guy! I'm running away with my fridge. Without you, you can't steal it.
Oh, that is not the trash bin.
Oh, look what's in the fridge.
God, that's.
No one messes with my fridge.
Except for me. No, don't kill me.
like
Cut.
a serious
Cut it.
Dustin.
Cut